So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change these two shortcuts on your lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. To do it, you need to press and hold on your lock screen, then enter your screen lock, and you'll have the option to click on any of these shortcuts to edit it. So after you click on it, you can just select the app that you want to put here, or a action. So I'm gonna put a torch instead of the phone, and here I'm gonna set something like, let's say it'll be messages maybe, and then I'm gonna click on done, and these two shortcuts are now set. So I can either slide from the left side from this icon, holding it like that, and it'll turn on the flashlight, or I can turn it off, or I can open messages, but I need to unlock my phone. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.